Being vegan is easy, right, Bella? You want some banana? Here you go. All right, guys, so we're going to be cooking up a really impressive vegan meal, something that takes a really long time to make, so get ready. You're gonna have to go out and buy the ingredients. They might be something you've never heard of before, so I'll just get ready, get a pen and make a list, okay? So first thing you need is a banana, okay? Then you need whole grain toast, and you're gonna need a jar of peanut butter. So hopefully you can find those things. Might be hard, might have to shop around, but I'm sure you'll get there. I'm here in Italy at my mother-in-law's house, and this is the kind of toast that she has. It is vegan, it has no eggs and no dairy in it. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your toast in the toaster and try not to burn it. Unfortunately, this is a bit darker than I would like, but this is what happens when you live with an 84-year-old mother-in-law who has Alzheimer's. It makes it a little bit difficult because she kind of changes the buttons whenever she feels like it. But we love her, right, Bella? Yeah, she takes you for lots of walks. Next, you're gonna take your toast and you're gonna put it on a plate. So hopefully you have a plate. You don't have to go and buy one. Luckily, I have a few here, so I'm lucky that way. So you put your toast on your plate, and basically you try to go fast because you want the peanut butter to melt, but because I'm making this video, that probably won't happen. So I'm using this kind of peanut butter that has no added salt, no added sugar. It's just peanuts. Like, it's just only peanuts. That's it. Just peanuts. So they just mash them up like that, and that's what it looks like. And we order this in bulk, and we have like about 18 jars. Okay, I'm exaggerating. Maybe it's 12. And then we're gonna be putting this on top of the toast. I know it's a bit hard, but you can do it. So I'm gonna do this with my left hand while I film here. I'm just gonna scoop up some peanut butter, and I'm gonna quickly, whoop, put it over there and let that drip on that. There we go. Just let the peanut butter drip on the toast. Now, peanut butter has protein, and so does bread. Let's get another scoop, shall we? All right. Another one. Let's go fast. Whoop! There we go. Get that drip on there. Now, after it's all dripped, you can kind of mush it around like this if you like it to go to the edges, which is what I do. I like my peanut butter to go right to the edges. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hey, you runaway toast. All right. Let's get this one a little bit too. Normally I don't put this much peanut butter on there, but since I'm trying to do this with one hand, it makes it a little bit harder to control. But I think we did okay. What do you think?
You missed a spot.
Looks good. Now there's a little tricky part here. You gotta pick up each of the pieces of banana and you gotta try to make sure they get on the toast. So let's do that now. Okay, let's start with this one. Put that there. I mean, this one could go here. Leave that one there. And how about there? Now you can put this one over here. What do you think? Oh, is that gonna drive you guys crazy that it's not in order? Sometimes people don't like things that are not in order. Let's do that. It looks pretty good. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get 9 pieces on these itty-bitty pieces of toast that they have here in Italy. How about that? Did it work? That's all right. Pretty good. Not bad. It was recently my mother-in-law's birthday, so we have some pretty flowers here. But let's continue down and see if we can finish this. All right, here's another piece. Another one. Doesn't this look delicious? Uh-oh. I think there's a bite that has no peanut butter on it there. Let's move that over. Let's see if I squish that over there. There. Lick my fingers a bit. There we go. That is how you make vegan food. Pretty simple, isn't it? Pretty awesome. Amazing. And that's how easy it is to be vegan. You just buy foods that you've already eaten your whole life anyway, and maybe add a few extras once in a while. Just Google some vegan recipes. You can totally do this. Take a guess. How many bites do you think it will take me to eat one piece of toast? 9? 8? 12? I don't know, take a guess. Write it in the comments. While I'm chewing, let's just take a moment to remember that the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that you can be vegan at any stage of development. Babies, for example, are all born vegan. Their mother's milk is vegan because it's given freely. It's not stolen. And in fact, we have a duty to maintain our children's vegan virginity. It's not right to stick dead bodies into their mouths without their consent. And for those of you who have this crazy idea that being vegan costs a lot of money, it really doesn't. It's been proven in actual tests. Lentils, beans, rice, pasta, potatoes, carrots, broccoli cost hardly anything. And to stay healthy, you just need a wide variety of vegan foods every day. There are millions of healthy vegans across the world. Some are tall, some are short, some are skinny, some are fat, some are dark, some are light. How many bites have I taken? I lost track. And by the way, you can alternate. Sometimes I just put orange slices on my toast. Also, equally delicious. I try to eat mostly whole foods, things that are not processed. I used to put jam on my toast, but now I just put fruit directly. Sometimes I put warm, mashed up blueberries that I just pour on there. Sometimes it's so mushy that I just eat it with a knife and fork, which is equally scrumptious. If you happen to be vegan and watching this, it would be really helpful to the animals if you would write down the reasons that you're vegan in my comment section. There are so many young people here who have misinformation given to them by their parents or teachers, and they don't actually even believe that you can be healthy. So if you're a vegan and you have your own YouTube channel that you want to promote, I'm perfectly happy for you to do so in my comment section. And if you're somebody who's watching and you don't yet have videos, why don't you go ahead and do so? Film yourself drinking some soy milk. Start doing your own channel. Film yourself eating some banana toast. Why not? So easy. Soy milk is one of those things that grew on me. I didn't like it at first, but now I can just drink the entire liter in one shot. Cheers!
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her say